Hey folks, I'm going to do an unboxing of some 5 lady slipper orchids. Cypripedium acaule is the taxonomy. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I bought this off Etsy from a seller in Tennessee. And we'll see how they look. These are smaller ones, so they're not like larger rhizomes. But you get more for the price, so I was like, yay. I can have the patience to wait. I've had some plants that I purchased years ago and they're finally blooming. So I'm going to look at this receipt quickly. So it just shows a receipt with the purchase price and everything, which is nice because a lot of people stopped putting that in there. Even Amazon, you just have to go digitally and look at it. At least on Amazon, they stay there permanently. eBay, not so much. But let's see, we have, these are in great shape. We have one. I was hoping I could talk about opening the bag and making a mess, but let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these look to be grown in 6. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nice, and that has 2 on them. So this is really great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.